When in doubt, bite. Okay, so the final one, we're at the end. We are at the end. Emotional control. So let's get into it. Let's waste no more time. Let's get into this because so the first one is the leader is going to manipulate and narrow the range of feelings. Some emotions and or needs are deemed as evil, wrong, or selfish. Again, dehumanizing people. Two, teach emotion stopping techniques to block feelings of homesickness, anger, or doubt. Three, make the person feel that problems are always their own fault, never the leader's or the group's fault. Four, the leader is going to promote feelings of guilt or unworthiness. And this looks like identity guilt. You are not living up to your full potential. Your family is not worthy. Your past is a suspect. Your affiliations are unwise. Your thoughts, feelings, actions are irrelevant and selfish. Mm. Number five, the leader is going to instill fear, and these fear are going to come in the form of thinking independently. You are going to fear the outside world. You are going to fear your enemies. You're going to fear losing one's salvation. You're going to fear leaving or being shunned by the group. You're going to fear others' disapproval. And you're going to fear six extremes of emotional highs and lows. That means they are going to love bomb you, love bombing, and praise one moment, and then the next minute they will be declaring you the worst sinner ever. Seven, ritualistic and sometimes public confession of sin. So we have come to the end of the list and the end of our bite investigation. And last but not least, if you should ever decide to leave the cult group, they are going to make you feel so undisciplined, so weak, so unspiritual, so worldly, so brainwashed by other people. And they are going to even threaten you and your family. That is my last sigh. And I want to encourage you all, bite. When in doubt, take a bite. Take a bite of the knowledge. Take a bite of the information that are available. Take a bite of the Bible, which warns us to stay away from these things. Stay away from demonic forces, demonic elements such as this. When you can, flee, run. Well, there you have it, guys. That's the last bite. I want to encourage you to stay aware and stay vigilant. Check it out.